Thank you for visiting with us at The Patrick and Stephanie Show, where we feature tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Every Monday and Friday, we share our digital marketing tips on how to increase your online brand awareness. Patrick here. Today, I am pleased to feature, do you know this secret to how I create great copywriting? And also, the secret trick good copywriters use to create demand for their products. There are many copywriting tips and tricks you can use to improve your writing. But without a solid, fundamental understanding of the fundamentals of effective copywriting, these tips and tricks cannot turn mediocre copy into highly successful commercial work. What these experts have to say about creating effective copywriting. Advertising father David Ogilvy, Copywriting Hall of Fame member John Caples, and modern million-dollar copywriter Gary Bencheveng all recommend rigorous research as one of the secrets to writing great copy. I learned that good copywriters know so much about the product and potential customers, as well as their desires, fears, guesses, and jargon, that the text will soon want to explode, as a dam would burst. I've thought, literally, for years about the elements that make the difference between assertive copywriting and the type of copywriting that really makes you appreciate the company that publishes it. Don't make the mistake of using a vague headline. Throw in a vague, indistinct, or unclear title for the best content the world has ever seen and it still won't read. You may be the world's greatest copywriter, but your writing won't have an impact if you can't connect with your audience. Your headline is your secret sauce to get your audience to read your article. Ask any professional copywriter for the secret to capturing a prospect's interest, telling a great story, or getting readers to share or comment on an article or any number of goals. A good copywriter is madly able to penetrate the mind of a potential buyer. A good copywriter understands how his product is perceived in the minds of clients within a certain competitive environment. The secret trick good copywriters use to create demand for their products. Good copywriters know how to connect and strengthen their customers' perceptions to create demand for their products. Good copywriters use a personal tone because they know their audience is made up of individuals. Use tutorial-based headlines. Good copywriters use tutorial-based headlines because they know their readers' inboxes and social media are crowded. Sure, anyone can write a blog post or update their social media profile, but the real hallmark of a copywriter is not only creating content, but creating content that matches marketing goals, engages readers, and helps you achieve a specific goal. If you want to write engaging content, learn how to become a copywriter. You need to learn how to become a copywriter if you want to write engaging content that drives traffic, draws in people, and turns visitors into paying customers. Investing in good copywriting can literally affect your business growth and income. Many writers go into the advertising writing business trying to contribute to its creation. When writers struggle to convey what's really special about their company, product, or service, they sometimes resort to jargon or exaggeration to get their point across. The best copywriters use keywords in their copy without interrupting the flow or making the tone unnaturally pompous. The secret to great copywriting. In fact, 90% of people scan text to find keywords instead of reading it word by word. The essence of copywriting is that even good copywriting that you don't read will turn into rubbish copywriting. Write down your copy, then delete everything you don't need and continue to do so until it's perfect. It counts every time they use certain words or phrases to describe their business, so make sure not to copy what they say. Write about your business in the context of how you help your clients. You need to write about your business in the context of how you help your clients, focusing on their needs, using you rather than us, and make sure your copy explains how you will help the client. You need to write your copy so that each sentence makes the reader keep reading until your entire copy has been read. At every step, your article should catch on and enthrall, because no one assigns your text to be required reading. Conclusion, and the takeaway. Particularly when writing blogs/articles, it also helps the reader understand your topic as fluently as possible. When typing, think about how to make the text easier to read. You often find that you can explain yourself better and with more enthusiasm when you write it down in a way that your audience can consume. First of all, the best and most effective copywriting is a private matter for the target reader. Whether it's a 65-year-old grandmother, an investment banker, or a college student, your oracle should hit them where it matters. You don't have to write a long article to explain why your company is the best. If you apply the tips and tricks I have shared with you, your online copy will surely outperform all competitors. They may seem daunting, but then again, copywriting is a very competitive activity. The secret that they won't tell you about how to create great content. In fact, Many copywriters won't tell you that content is much more than just great tricks for writing and hiring web copywriters. Moreover, finding good copywriters can sometimes be difficult and can certainly be expensive. If you're not a natural-born writer, no problem, contact one of the countless copywriters and agencies that can support you. I hope you have found my podcast to be helpful in answering your questions concerning the tips and tricks I use to create great copywriting. Please share your sentiments in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, please like, comment, and subscribe to our video. We deeply appreciate your doing so and hope that you enjoy our sharing our information concerning tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Stephanie and Patrick signing off until next time.